Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy, dear viewers. In today's lecture, we will discuss what to do if we have data written in different cells, where you can see that this data is separate, this is separate, and this is separate. We want to arrange all of this in order within a single column. Now, if you have an old version and not the latest version, because in the latest version, we can use the toggle formula to paste everything in one place. But if you have an old version, like Office 2016, 2013, or 2010, how do we use this technique there? For that, what you need to do first is go to the Home tab. As soon as we click on the Home tab, you will see the Clipboard group here. When we click on this, the clipboard will open up for you. The benefit of this is that whatever data you cut or copy, its record will keep getting added here. After that, what you need to do is select it here, right-click and copy it. Then right-click here and copy, or you can click here and press Ctrl C. Click here, press Ctrl C, click here, press Ctrl C, and then what you need to do is come here, press Ctrl C, or right-click and copy it. This way, all the data will be pasted here. Now what you need to do is use the escape key so that the selection is removed, and then click on the cell where you want to paste all this data in order. After that, you need to go back to the clipboard, and as soon as we click on paste all, you will see that all the data has come into a single column in order. So this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you how to consolidate data written in different cells into a single column. I hope you learned something new in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. See you in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.